National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, east central Clay County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Riley, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Riley, Leonardville, Randolph, Tuttle Creek Lake, and Keats. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.